Alright, so we're going to be doing some custom tail lights on this 2017, oops, gotta fold this back in, 2017 Lexus IS250. They do sell some aftermarket ones, but I wanted to make them my own.
Hello there, buddy. What are we doing today?
We're doing some custom tail lights. So, you can see I already got this set done. Now, I started the video off late so I could get one set done and then do the other one the exact same. That way you guys could follow along. So you can see here the turn signal. I made it all one stripe. And then I made the, you'll see here in a second, you'll see the before and after. You can see in there there's little indentions for the little DRLs for the brake lights, or the running lights. And then this is painted black, and this is smoked black. And then here is the LED, the little strip for the backup light. And I already put clear on these, so these have tint, and then they have black paint, and they also have clear, which is this 2K clear, which is like an automotive finish. You can see here I already got them sanded off, and I'm doing my mock-up right now of the what's it called, of how I'm gonna mask them off and paint them. And now I gotta do this one. So we're gonna finish this one up, and I'll take you through the process of painting them and getting them all cleaned up and ready for paint. I don't think it's turning. Is it turning?
Yeah, I see it.
Stop.
I got the tail lights masked off. So, as you can see, here's the design of how I did them. Two L's for the running lights, and one strip. Oh, I did two strips on this one for the turn signal, and I did one strip for the reverse light. And you can see they are all already sanded down with 1000 grit. They're all sanded down. So now I'm gonna put some glass cleaner on them to get rid of all the oils and debris on them. Alright, so I got the tail lights all masked off, and I put some glass cleaner on them to get all the oils off of them. You can see they're pretty much in pristine condition. So, you're gonna take your adhesion promoter. Now it's pretty hot. We're in Texas, so it's pretty hot out here. So you don't gotta warm up the can. Spray anything. Now for all the haters in the comments are gonna say this is spray can. Yes it is, but it's not like we're painting a fucking car. You can see they look pretty damn good, and they're gonna be buffable and sandable if need be. Now we are painting in a shop, so it's not a paint booth, so you know the chances of getting debris in a shop are a lot higher. But you know there's literally little to nothing in the paint. You'd have to get really close to it to even notice any debris in the paint. Okay, so I got these all painted up. As you can see, I already removed the tape I had here. You probably can't see, but oh yeah, you can see kind of there. I removed the tape. So now I'm waiting for this last coat to dry. Then I'm gonna peel the last sticker here that I have, or the last piece of tape, and then I'm gonna shoot them all with clear, so they can start turning out like this. These have been drying for probably an hour now. But you can see these are completely glossy. Okay, so we got the tint on them. I think I may have gone a little too dark, so we're gonna see how they go. but I think the light will still shine through, so we'll see. But I'm going to spray the clear on it. The surface isn't completely dry yet. It's pretty dry, but it's not like super dry. So I'm going to go and spray the clear on it. And that's a 2K clear I was talking about. It has a hardener at the bottom. We decided to put, I'm going to paint these reflectors black because this is the only red thing that's going to be on the car. So I'm going to mask these off, and I'm going to mask off around the car, and I'm going to sand them down here, and then put the adhesive promoter, and then put the black, and then clear them. So I'm going to go ahead and get these masked off, and then I'll show you once I'm putting the adhesive promoter, or once I'm sanding them.
Can I post on Facebook?
Yeah, so I got the reflectors masked off, and I also got them sanded down. As you can see, they're pretty hazy. After I sanded them down, I cleaned them off with a rag and glass cleaner, like I did the tail lights, to get all the contaminants off of it. So here's this one, as you can see, kind of hazy, and here's this one, which is more reflective. And we're doing this in the meantime while we let the tail lights dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with the, and I'll do this on camera. All right. There we go, all blacked out. Okay, so we got the tail lights done, but I kind of felt like we needed to do something in the front, blacked out. So the paint is kind of like a matte finish now. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the clear. I cleaned the nozzle with some acetone, that way it won't splatter. So, just gonna do some light coats first. I say light, but that was pretty heavy. So, I'm gonna let that dry, and we'll hit it with another coat here in a second. Alright, so got the lights finished up on the car. Here is a shot from the front, and I am gonna lower down the dimness. Now this one seems a little bit brighter because that one's been curing for a while, and this one's still, I just sprayed the clear coat on this one, so it's still a little hazy because it has to dry. So that's that.
And now we're gonna go.
Yeah, it's like really late, but you can see the lines on here.
And Alfredo dropped a roll.
Pretty much perfect.
Do I put my hand in there and get it?
Yeah.
Am I gonna get cut?
No. Where's the, can you feel it?
I can see it.
Where?
Look. Digging for gold.
Got it. Put it on the table. So, that's the project for today. Got it done.
What? How long did it take?
Like 8 hours. Kind of like a spontaneous thing to do. Because I have them done on my truck, and I wanted to get a little better on doing them, and I think I'm pretty much there. I think I'm pretty good. You can see the tail lights here. And I'll have some better shots tomorrow when they cure. But the back ones are pretty much cured. They're as glossy as they're gonna get. They just still have to dry some more. And they look freaking sick. Here, look, turn off the lights. So you can see no light penetration whatsoever. Like, you can't see any red. And actually uses a combination of black paint and tint. Go ahead and turn on the lights. Hit the brake. You can see the light passage for the brake lights is still a lot, and it has a top one as well. Let go of the brake. Press it. Okay. Now do the turn signal. Do the hazards. And I'm gonna switch these out for LEDs, but you see them there. And do the reverse lights. So there are the reverse lights. Take it out of reverse. Blinker. Turn off the lights. Put in reverse. Take it out of reverse. That's good. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know what you guys think about the tail lights, if I should have done something different, or if I should have done a different route, or if you've seen some stuff. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want more videos like this, let me know. See you guys in the next one.
Got that heat.